Charagachi everyone, and welcome again for another F1 review for the race review here at the Singapore in Formula 1 Singapore and Airlines Singapore Grand Prix. So let's get started. Before that, we have only 19 drivers because Lance Stroll has been injured during the qualifying crash in Q1, so he can rejoin. So at first akala ko ang sasali doon ay si Dragovic, pero ang Aston Martin wala, si Alonso lang ang nag-iisang Aston Martin doon. Hindi nila na isali or temporary driver si Felipe Dragovic. So let's get started right here. Okay, here's in the F1 race start. So this is lap start. This is a lap hanggang lap 62. Of course, race start muna tayo. So here it is. It's lights out and away we go. So pagdating dito, Russell and Sainz are both in the mediums, but in the back, Leclerc sets off a soft tires. So maganda ang pagka-start dito ng two Ferraris, Sainz and Leclerc in lap 1. So dito, pagdating dito, dito na umatak si Leclerc pagdating ng turn 1. Then we can see Lawson with we can see then in the back Lawson actually pagdating din ata dito sa likod, if you can see Verstappen and Liam Lawson, maganda rin ang start dito sa likod ni Verstappen against Liam Lawson. But congrats din kay Liam Lawson for his first points at Formula 1 as a AlphaTauri driver. So this is ito naman. So this is Yuki Tsunoda, who stopped in the side of the track. There's a problem with this power unit or the gearbox. Siguro magiging maayos din yan na pagdating ng Japanese Grand Prix, because one of the sponsors of AlphaTauri and the Red Bull is yung Honda, which is the main energy of the Red Bull and the AlphaTauri, the Honda. So pero parang mas maraming bibigyan ng power ang Red Bull kaysa sa sa AlphaTauri, syempre kasi sister company lang ang AlphaTauri. So next is so dito, this is a Logan Sargent who hits the barrier Okay. So this is a Logan Sargent who hits the barrier at turn 2. So so there's a yellow flag. The good thing here is he's still rejoin the race, then go to the pits first. So medyo parang napasobra yung liko dito ni Sergeant with these controls. He did not manage to stop in time, kaya nagkaroon ng yellow flag. So dito ewan ko kung nagka-red flag because they need to fix the barrier also. So here it is. Ito naman I see Fernando So this is Fernando Alonso, who didn't follow the who locks up and didn't follow the rules. Fernando Alonso going to the pits, but he drove up into the white lines. That is the one of the rules of the FIA. So Fernando Alonso served a 5 seconds time penalty for not following and for driving in the white lines. So we have a double stack pagdating dito. Can see yellow flag pa rin. So this is the double stack, the Ferrari, Carlos Sainz and Charles Leclerc. So pagdating dito, buti na lang hindi sila na problema. Verstappen, buti na lang at nagka-yellow flag dito. Kung wala nga yellow flag, baka si Sainz pang-4 or pang-5 na dito. Of course, nag-double stack din ang Mercedes. But the problem is the Aston Martin has a slow pit stop for Fernando Alonso in the Aston Martin. So Aston Martin really struggles this one in Singapore. Also same with the Red Bull. if you remember yung upshift issue ni Verstappen, he didn't like it, is ta is didn't hindi niya gusto yung RB RB19 niya. So let's just move on around here. This is turn 2 again with Esteban Ocon. So there's a yellow flag. If you can see Esteban Ocon, we can see in his suspension umuusok, and there's I think same with Yuki, power unit problems with his Alpine. Too bad for Ocon. So next, this is Fernando Alonso. Went wide into turn 13. But luckily still managed to join the race. Yeah. Of course, okay, this is the last lap. I think this is just like the last year's just like in 2022 last year. Last year kasi si Lewis Hamilton ang tumama sa barrier, and tumama si Lewis Hamilton sa barrier because sa frustration niya along with Carlos Sainz noon. But this time I think this is is George Russell na medyo na frustrate naman kay Lando Norris. So nagka-yellow flag pa in the last lap. Hindi na nila ni red flag ang sessions because last lap na. So dahil last lap na, so wala nang hindi na nila ni red flag. So here it is. Carlos Sainz crossed the line and wins the Singapore Grand Prix, and of course with battle with Verstappen, then Leclerc. To fourth is Fourth is Leclerc. And fifth is Verstappen. Actually, medyo malapit-lapit lang si Verstappen sa yung pa straight na siya sa finish line. Sina Verstappen, then Charles. Mabuti na lang at Charles have a great pace kasi yung start niya kasi is soft, and I think yung pinampalit niya dun ata is medium na ata, I guess. So here is the race results. Wait, bago muna yan. So this is Carlos Sainz was sings the favorite song, Smooth Operator, which is ayun yung tawag sa kanya sa F1, the smooth operator in sa Scuderia Ferrari, Carlos Sainz. Okay, here's the race results. Okay, here's the race. Here's the race results. Okay, Sainz is first, second is Norris, and third is Lewis Hamilton. Here's the top 10. Of course, may reward din si Fred Vasseur dito as his first award as a new team principal of the Scuderia Ferrari. So here's the results in the race. Carlos Sainz is first, second is Norris, third is Hamilton, fourth is Leclerc, fifth is Verstappen, sixth is Gasly, seventh is Piastri, eighth is Perez, ninth is Lawson, and 10 is Hülkenberg. Right. 10 is Magnussen pala. Then, wait, before bago tayo magtapos, may nakita ko dito, may isang post dito. Here, ito, galing ito mismo sa The Purple Sector. Post nila yan. That's their new post. There is 2 Grand Prix of review of race review. So I think nakita ko sa captions, pagdating ng Tuesday, public na ang The Purple Sector tomorrow at 8 p.m. So doon lahat ang mga buong race review ng The Purple Sector. So ang driver of the day naman natin ay ang drive the day natin, of course, si Carlos Sainz, ang ating driver of the day. Hatid dyan ng Salesforce. Okay, that's Carlos Sainz, winner of the Singapore Grand Prix, and the driver of the day in Formula 1, Carlos Sainz. And wait, I saw one na isa na lang. There's one nakita ko sa FB story. Ito, this is Bianca, you know her, Bianca Bustamante, na padaan sa garage ng Ferrari. Then yung may iba pa siyang story FB story, kaso hindi ko na screenshot. So ayan lang yung meron ako, guys. Sorry talaga. So just see you at Japan. And see you at Japan. See you guys. Ciao.